My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and at the moment I'm building a stealthy, off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere camper van. And today I'm going to show you how to make a simple wiring loom for one of these control panels. Now these control panels, I've seen them on eBay, Amazon, other good electrical outlets are available, and when I've bought them in the past they never, I mean never come with a wiring diagram, and I'll get asked all the time, how do I wire up one of these panels? So this video is for you guys. Alright, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this panel from this panel. I'm going to take it out, lay it down and show you how to make a really simple wiring loom. Because these are really popular now, I mean for good reason. They've got a USB charge port, a 12 volt meter so you can see the state of your battery, and also a lighter socket. Well, a 12 volt socket, often referred to as a lighter socket, cigarette lighter socket, but please don't put a cigarette lighter in there because it'll melt. They're okay for like those 12 volt fans, charging devices. My fridge would be running off of one of these, but I'm going to put my fridge socket down under there next to my fridge somewhere. Yeah, somewhere around about here. And all the wires for that are going to go underneath there. There's no wires behind my wall because I want to be able to drill and hang things on my wall without having to worry about hitting any wires. But yeah, that's going off subject now. So I'm going to take this off of there. I'm going to take it off, lay it down, make a wiring loom and try and explain how that works. It's really simple, it's nothing to be afraid of. Okay guys, so I'm going to crack on with that. So I've removed the panel, I've made my little wiring loom. I just want to show you what it looks like. There you go, it's as simple as that. This is really basic electrics. Oh, can't get it to stand up. So the current will come in from the main feed here along and simply jump from one to the other. And even if this one's switched off, the current can still flow to the end, one at the end, regardless of what's going on with the other two. And the same with the neutral, simply just piggyback off each connector. That way you end up with just one negative wire, one positive wire to go to your main feed. If I zoom out, so there you are, one negative, one positive, and through that simple little loom they're all joined together. Simple as that. So it really is as simple as that, just a simple matter of piggybacking the wires across so that all three components are joined together. Now I've seen some people try and put like 3 or 4 wires in the back of one of these, and that's a little bit dodgy because one of the wires could come loose and it will stop working, or at worst it will start getting hot. So yeah, you don't really want to put more than 2 wires in the back of one of these connectors. That's about as much as you want to do really. I've seen people put like 3 or 4 in the back of one and try and branch off from one. That's not really the right way to do it. This is definitely the proper way to do it. And in that way you can, once you've connected these 2 wires up, your positive and your negative, once these positive and negative are connected, and this positive will be going straight to my fuse box, so the whole lot will be fused. Yeah, you don't have to undo them. And if any of these components do go wrong, I can simply unplug it and swap it out and change it for a new one. It's really as simple as that. Yeah, I'll just show you again. Simple as that. Keep it simple. So if you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, feel free to leave a comment below and talk among yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully this was useful to somebody.